What's going on, my YouTube family? Welcome back, everybody. Well, if it's not 90 out in a desert, we've got 70 and pouring rain, as you guys can see. So what do we do in the rain? We run for shelter, and that's down here in the wood shop. Hope everybody's been doing good. Hope you guys been enjoying the videos. I'm that wood guy, all the new faces. Thank you for joining the channel. I do everything wood related here, firewood, woodworking, and everything. Down here in the wood shop this morning, many projects happening like you guys have been watching, my prior videos of the woodworking parts coming in and out, which I've seen these woodworking videos aren't the most popular, but we're gonna keep plugging them along for all you fellow woodworkers that want to see. So behind me today, I have a sign. Two beautiful scroll saw carvings on each side of it. One is a deer, and then the other one is a moose. You guys can see there. And an open spot in the middle, which we're gonna carve the danger zone. Oh yeah, and I kind of feel like that is matching the hairdo today, the danger zone. Much more being said than that, my friends. Point my hands a couple more times and fire up the CNC machine. I'm gonna carve the danger zone in the middle there. You guys are gonna watch that. Let's get at it. All right, my friends, a minor little dilemma here. So because we have, two natural edges on each side of this carving here to start, I'm having a little tough time putting the middle carving because the machine is trying to pick up square edges. Now I had these rails here to give that a guide, making the machine think that this is a square rectangle board. But what's happening is I need the same depth from here up to the surface here, which is 3/4 of an inch, without really fudging around anymore and possibly making a mistake into it, trying to get the computer programmed right to read this. You kind of stumble across a better idea where the client is even more happy with, the outcome. So my whole idea here, my friends, is I'm going to make a separate badge that you guys are going to see that is going to be thin, maybe about 1/4 of an inch, rectangle, chamfered on all edges, sanded nice, in which we'll carve the danger zone into and attach that separately. It gives an option of being able to stain the badge separate maybe from the rest of the carving and kind of give a little more of a contrast, or maybe not, but it also gives some depth and reveal to the whole purpose of this carving. So I think that's going to work. So let's get at it.
Oh, and there you have it, my friends. The Danger Zone sign matching that Danger Zone haircut. Man, I tell you, it's a danger zone up here today. The little carve right machine, that little tool is really quite an asset in the woodworking world, being able to custom carve sign work, inlay work, all sorts of different odds and ends that make your pieces stand apart from. I think the plate here will get colored or stained a different tone to be able to make it stand out and look a little more purposeful. Having a separate plate attached, I also think it gives it a really cool reveal and shadow line, having like a stuck out carving on top of a carving on this natural slab, where it makes the sign a little more custom. It's really personal preference. In this instance, like I said, I was having a little bit of a difficult time because it's a natural slab here and it's all irregular. So I just kind of worked around that for now, and the customer was quite happy, me making a separate plate, attaching it to the slab, and going about it that way, which kind of gives it its own different appeal.